Welcome back, dear students. I think all are fine at home. We have to start today's class. In the last class, we have discussed how we keep our body clean. In your textbook, didn't you notice how a second standard student named Ravi do his daily routine? Ravi is a good boy having good habits. You compare your habits with Ravi. What more qualities do you have than Ravi? Here I am telling about Ravi's good habits or qualities. Ravi wakes up early in the morning. You also gets up early in the morning, isn't it? Then he brushes teeth and cleans tongue. Then he washes his face, eyes and nose with clean, cool water. You also do like this. Then he goes to toilet and washes his hands. After that, he takes bath using soap. Then he prays to God. After that, he combs his hair neatly. Then he washes his hands and takes breakfast. He wears only washed clothes and wears polished shoes or sandals and goes to school. He plays in the evening with his friends. He takes a bath again in the evening and prays to God. At night, he does his homework and studies in bright light. Before going to supper, he washes his hands. After taking supper, he brushes his teeth and goes to bed early. That is, go to bed early and wake up early. He also cuts short his nails to remove the dust collected in nails once in a week. Suppose you go to any public places like park, museum or zoo. If you want to urinate or excrete, where should you go? You should go to toilet for urination and excretion. Also, you should wash hands and feet after using toilet. It's very necessary. Don't use public places such as the side of the road, street, backside of any building, etc. for urination and excretion. Many germs or housefly will sit on the urinary or excretory waste and then they may fly and sit on the food particles. We will eat that food with taste, but disease-causing germs are in it. It will cause disease and it is harmful to our body. Then the next point is how you should sit on the chair in straight position. That means touch your back on the chair completely. Don't bend sideways, backwards and forward. If you sit in an erect position, the respiration process will also be easy. Likewise, while you are walking or standing, you should maintain erect posture. Then only you can balance your weight equally on two legs. Erect means straight.
For example, if you stand like the above picture, after some time you get pain on that side
because the full body weight goes to one side.
If you bench another side, that side get pain.
So, you should stand or walk erectly. Then only we can distribute the weight on two legs. Now I am telling the main points of this chapter. Go to bed early and wake up early. Brush your teeth twice a day. Bath every day. Cut short your nails weekly. Wash your hands before and after eating food. So, students, please follow the above mentioned good habits and live happily. Our motto is health is wealth. Students, today's class is over. See you in the next class. Okay. Thank you.